We're sitting on my back and I think the bird is diarrhea. Before I was just peeing a bit, but now it's anyway, it's pretty cool. We're sitting on the back of a bird. All the losers sitting in here, we're sitting on the back. It's pretty nice, eh? I know, you can see fine. They're not going past me. It's really nice, guys. Oh, are there any whales in this? No, not at the moment. But there will like whales. Oh, yeah. There's a crocodile that actually brushed past my leg. I'm not even kidding. Really? Yeah. I am believing. Apparently a crocodile went past Cass's head. I mean, you believe that they were part of the brain, you know that, you know what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that a boy? Yeah, it is. Kidding, I did not get it like that. They don't even know. Yeah. And we're leaning off it. Well, like that. Oh yeah, it has a lot of diarrhea. Imagine the engine dies. The engine just dies. Well, then I will keep on making videos of you guys sending help. Oh, it will just cool me down.
The yellow stuff is
It's so slow, isn't it? No. Is it slow? It looks slow when you look at it. It looks like we're going like whoa. Like the tide is there. We're going about 5 knots. 5 knots. Okay, 5 kilometers per hour. Yay! It's had too much Taco Bell. Oh. You. My dad touched the horn. Do it again. Okay. Gas. Come on. Okay, well I think the boats had too much Taco Bell. Definitely. Way too much. The boats had too much Taco Bell. It's so fun that we get to swim back. Okay, well this is the best time to fly down too. Go to TomTom 29. Well, TomTom 29 Vlog, TomTom 29 Gaming, Gaming Cool Kid, no spaces attack, and XX Commander XX, no spaces. And Mia Plays. It's the pool of our channels, and yeah, hopefully one day we could be a big YouTuber.
Wait, and are you gonna type like the names, like how to spell in the description?
Yeah, I'll type in it. Actually, oh yeah, I'll type in